Ay. Woo, woo, woo. I'm like, ooh, pull up and see how I live with my crew. Keep it on 10 and you know we don't lose. Only intent, homie, and we make moves. Like, ooh, I'm like.
Hey, you guys. Let me set the mood. All right. Welcome back to my channel. This is Amanda Nicole here, back with another video. Gang, gang, gang. So I'm going to be doing a entrepreneur video. So this is going to be about 2 web hosting websites, and I'll be pulling them up. I'm just looking at the different pricing and different things about them. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is Big Cartel. So this will be a Big Cartel versus Shopify video. So see which one is better for you and your business. So what I will start off first with talking about Big Cartel. Now, I've been using Big Cartel probably since 2014. That's when I started my original apparel store. And with Big Cartel, I do love using Big Cartel because number one, it is a lot cheaper with pricing, and it's still easy to get your domain name. And what's a domain name? That is, for example, www.mystore.com. It's easy to get that connected with Big Cartel. So I'm going to go over some pricing. Now, what I currently use it for, I don't use my, boutique on there, but I do have, for my Giving Luxury Vibes blog, I do have my ebook on Big Cartel currently, because I want to scale the business a little bit with just starting out. So just starting out, it is free, and I'm going to pull this up. So Big Cartel pricing. So it plans for your budget for your business. So the first thing is you can have 5 products for free. So no credit card needed. And that's what I'm currently using since I just started my ebook. I'm sorry, if you see me looking over there, my dog is over there making noises. I'm not really sure what he's doing. Anyway, so you can have 5 products on there for free. So what I use my Big Cartel is for my ebook. So my ebook is a captions book. So it's about girls basically normalizing luxury. And if you don't know what to post, or you don't know what to do anything on your page, like you don't know the captions, you can just follow along with the ebook. I made it quick and easy. Actually, if you do want a video on how I made my It's Giving Luxury Vibes ebook, go ahead and comment down below. Again, if you want to know how I made my ebook, just comment down below, because it's very easy. I did it right on my iPad. I didn't use, I didn't have someone make it for me. I made it myself. So I have it set up on the free website for Big Cartel. Say when someone goes there, they order, they're able to add it to their cart. As soon as it gets, after they purchase, and I actually had an order today, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this pops up on my screen. I'm trying to hide the name. It's right there. So what's gonna happen is this person, after they order, just pops up on my screen for Big Cartel. I'm gonna show you guys on there what it looks like. So let me go ahead and screenshot it. So it pops up. That's how I know I got a new order. I go straight to the order, and then what I do is I'll get their email. I'll go to Gmail, which I'm going to show on my screen and show you guys exactly how I send it. subject line is always the same. The body of the email is always the same. So I'm just letting you know, like, your download is ready for you to download the ebook. So I might put their order number in the email so I can just keep track. And then I go back on the Big Cartel app and I'll go ahead and mark as fulfilled on the app. So I'm doing this manually. Again, I just started this ebook journey. So I just wanted to see how this was actually going to go first before I try to pay or upgrade my website. Now, so I said 5 free products that you can add on Big Cartel. Now, if you want to do more than the 5, the next level or the next tier is you can do 50 products for $10 a month. So, when you're just thinking about that, say if you're selling sunglasses, you have 50 different shades of sunglasses, 50 different varieties of sunglasses. So you're able to do that with Big Cartel because you can't go over 50 though. So you can go ahead and add those different styles on there. So that's when you're looking at the products. Then the highest tier is 500 products for $20 a month, which is a great deal. So that's something, say if I wanted to make a maximum amount of ebooks or different things that I wanted to put on my Big Cartel, it is only $20 to get 500 products. So that's really, really good. So like I said, I like Big Cartel for that reason. Something like that, selling an ebook, and I can just manually just send the email with the ebook, and there's no issue or no problem. I'm not making, like, it's really just passive income with that caption book. I'm not like making majority of my money off that caption book. So getting those type of emails saying that I got to order is just really quick and easy for me to work. So with Big Cartel also, they do have a very easy to use website builder. I'm going to put on the screen an actual website that's that was built on Big Cartel. I know that this person uses Big Cartel and it's very easy, accessible. I like their website. It's very simple, chic. It's a nice website. It's very easy to use also with building your website on Big Cartel. So I will give them a plus on that as well. Now, they don't have any like upgraded apps that you can add on really. And that's why I'm going to talk about Shopify. It's really not much to say about Big Cartel because it's very easy, just web hosting, whatever you want to put up there. It's still an e-commerce platform, but it's not like the best in the world. But it's, again, this is something that I currently am using for my ebooks. So if you're starting off with an ebook or a blog, and you want to sell something like that, I say start off with Big Cartel just the beginning, just to get your feet wet and figure out if this is something that you want to continue to do. Now, I'm going to switch gears a little bit and I'm going to talk about Shopify. Now, I actually love Shopify. The thing is, what I love about Shopify is very easy to use for e-commerce businesses and it has different apps. Now, the pricing is a little bit more steep than Big Cartel, but it's definitely worth it. So the basic plan for Shopify is $29 a month, which it just all depends. Like I have add-ons to my website. So for example, I have a live chat member, someone that will be able to talk to you. When I mean someone, I'm talking about me. But you have that option to have a live chat on your website. It will show up at the bottom of the screen and it is extra for you to pay for to have your customers or prospects, whoever goes and visit your website, they'll be able to talk to someone. So that's why I do like using some of those features there on Shopify. So because I have that add-on and it may be like 20 bucks, it's going to be an additional charge. So every month when they're taking the $29 for the Shopify fee, they're going to also take any other fees from the add-on apps that you have. It's so many different add-on apps. Like it's ridiculous. So I just told you about one that I currently use. There's another one for customer reviews. So it's very easy for the customer just to go on there and send a review, a video or a photo with them in the product. Well, of course, using the product because I sell clothes, but they're using a product or anything like that, they'll be able to post it, and it's easy for people to see it. So as soon as they want to put a review, you approve it, and it automatically gets put there, and it's very easy to use and add. Now, say if you have a brick and mortar store, you can get the regular Shopify pricing for one retail store, and that is $79 a month. And then the advanced, say if you have 2 or more stores, you can use that advanced Shopify feature, and that's $2.99 a month. So that is still a good feature to use. I would definitely say if you have brick and mortar stores, use those. I don't, so I use the basic Shopify. But again, it's now $29 a month, and I don't have an issue with paying the extra for the add-ons that I have on my site. Also, like Big Cartel, it is very easy to do web building. If you don't, if you're not into web building or you're not a techie person, now I've been making Shopify accounts for the last 2 years. So I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm an expert, but I think I'm well versed in making Shopify websites. I will put on the screen here some of the websites I created. So it's very, I am a geek. I will say that. So I do like making websites. So I've been making those websites for a minute. Even on Big Cartel, say if you still need help with Big Cartel, I can help you. But lately I've been doing a lot of Shopify websites. So like I said, with the ones that I've shown you guys, if you do like my work, go ahead and email me. Say if you're someone that needs help, if you're someone that needs to or wants to open a Shopify store, or if you want to upgrade your store. I've done a lot of upgrades for other people. I will leave my information in the description below, so go ahead and hit me up. So also with Shopify, another feature that I really like that Big Cartel doesn't have is that Shopify actually has a loan process. So they look at the sales that you do for your business, and then they offer you a loan. Now, they don't check your credit, and they don't look at any history like that. Now, whatever you qualify for, you don't have to take the full amount, but you can if you want to. I took the full amount, and the thing is, we're taking the full amount, and we're talking about the payment plans. Now, I forgot to mention with Big Cartel, I do have my PayPal set up for Big Cartel, and that's where the money goes after someone makes a purchase of my ebook. Now, PayPal charges a transaction fee. I'm not sure what it is on the top of my head, but I'm going to list it up here, what that transaction fee is for PayPal, and it's very steep. It's a very expensive pricing for that for that PayPal on my Big Cartel. But with Shopify Pay, and that is the payment center that I use for my Shopify account, they don't charge as much for their transaction fees. I'm going to list that up there as well. And because you do get a loan, say if you were someone like me that got a loan, you have to use Shopify Pay in order to have the loan. So that is one of the qualifications for that. And I don't have an issue with it because I'm not paying extra transaction fees anyway. And you guys gave me a loan to help me with my inventory or, expenses in general. So I don't have an issue with Shopify having that, requirement for the loans. So that is something else that is a plus. Now with the loan, they give you about a year to pay it off. And then after you pay it off, they'll be like, hey, do you want X amount extra? So it just all depends. You're going to do what you feel like your business can do, because if you don't have enough, they're going to still charge you that amount for that loan. But again, like I said, it is the interest is low, and also it's no credit check. So that's why I really do like that feature with Shopify. I don't know what else to say about Shopify. It's just so easy to use. I love Shopify. Like, I really do love Shopify. I'm not even going over like all of the apps that they have. Different email, texting, a text list app, any type of marketing like that. It's very easy and accessible. And I forgot to say this about both, but Big Cartel and Shopify have it where you can have these shoppable links. And I'm going to show you what a shoppable link is on Instagram, where a customer can get on Instagram, tap your photo and tap the cart in the photo, and it will be able to link your website to that exact product. So I'm going to demonstrate that on the side of me here, what that looks like. Big Cartel also has it, and like I said, Shopify has it. But the only thing is, with Shopify, I don't have to manually add shop like my products. It automatically links it. So with Shopify, any product I add, it automatically has it on there. So that is a cool feature that is listed there for Shopify. So all in all, depending on what business you have, it's different strokes for different folks. I use Big Cartel for my ebooks at this moment. And then for Shopify, I use that for my e-commerce retail store. So I recommend that you use both if you have that type of service. But like I said, I recommend you do both depending on what kind of product or service that you're selling. Both are very useful. But I do lean to Shopify a little bit more. But like I said, Big Cartel is still good, and I'm using them too. So I don't discriminate. So if you guys want more videos like this discussing my entrepreneurship journey, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe below. And please, if you haven't already, go ahead and view my entrepreneurship life series. I'm sorry guys, it's like 1 in the morning and I'm making this video. Entrepreneurship life series videos that I have on my channel. If you're a retail store, or if you're someone that just wants to make or monetize from social media, I recommend that you go on there and look at some of the posts that I have down below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be a little bit more upbeat. I've been wanting to make this video so bad, and I thought tonight would be a good way. I should have already started it, but I waited, and it's 111. It's 111 right now in the morning. So like I said, thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Shopify or Big Cartel, or any reviews from both of them. If you're on Shopify already, let me know how you feel about Shopify. If you're on Big Cartel, let me know how you feel about Big Cartel. All right, thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Hey.